The pie chart given below shows the population of eight cities in a year. So different eight cities population is given in a particular year. Total population of all those eight cities is 30,000. Population in a particular city is shown as a percentage of total population in all these eight cities. See, he has given 30,000. He has divided 30,000 into eight parts, and those eight parts are nothing but population of the eight different cities. So what he is asking the average population of cities C3, C5, and C7. So those who don't know about average, how to calculate. So average is nothing but sum of the items divided by total number of items. Suppose there are three numbers 5, 9, 8 C. 5, 9, and 8. There are three numbers. If somebody asks you to find its average, then you have to add them up and then divide with how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. So divide with 3. So if suppose if there is one more number 11, the average of these three, so it should not be 3 here, it should be 4 because there are 4 parameters. So like that, average is calculated. But yeah, coming to this problem, so he is asking the average of C3, C5, and C7. So it means you have to add them up and divide with 3. Now, coming to the C3 value, C3 percentage is given as 8%, C5 is 5%, total 13, and C7 is 3%, so 16%. So 16%, but we need the average, so 16% divided by 3. So you don't have to calculate right now. So I'll just find out 16% as 10% plus 5% plus 1%. So 10% is nothing but see 30,000 is a value, total value. 10% is put point here. So 3000 is a 3000.0. Nothing but 3000. So 3000 is 10%. 5% means half of 3000. That is 1500. 1%. 1% means if 3000 is 10%, 1% is 300. Put point here. Like that. So if you need 10%, leave one digit and put point. If you need 1%, leave two digits and put point. So then that will be 1%. So now this is 4800. But you need average. 4800 by 3 is nothing but 1600. Next question. The pie chart given below shows the production of six different factories. The total production of all these six factories is given as 22. So it's given as 22,000, not 100. Okay. The production of a particular factory is shown as a percentage of total production of all these six factories. Nothing. It is given in terms of percentages. All the factories production is given in terms of percentages. Now, using these percentages, you have to find the value of average production of A, C, D, and F. It is combination of again average and percentages. So A plus C plus D plus F divided by 4 is nothing but P1. We can calculate A plus C. A plus C is 57 plus D is 4, 57, 61, and F 10, 71. 71 by 4 is P1. 71 by 4 is P1, but how to find 71? 71 means instead of finding 10 into 7, you just do like this. 100 minus 30 is 70. Okay, 100 minus 30 is 70%. Just add 1 to it, 1% to it, 70 plus 71%. So how to do that? 100% is, I know 100% value is 22,000 minus 30% is nothing but 2,200 is 10%. 10% into 2,200 into 3 times 6,000. What is that? 6,000. 6,600. So subtract. What you will get? You remove 6,000, it is 16,000, again 600, so 15,400. 15,000. second. So 15,400 plus 1. 1 is 220. 15,400 plus 220. 0 to 6, 15,620 is 71%. But divided by 3. Sorry, not 3, divided by 4 because 4 parameters. So 4 3s are 12, 4 9s are 36, 4 5s are 20. Till here 3905, and again what is P2 value? P2 is nothing but difference between B and E. In this E is larger, E minus B is 3%. So 3% is nothing but 220 into 3. 220 into 3 is 660. So add them 6, 5, 1, 4, 5, 6, 5. Last option. The table given below shows the production of beauty products by 5 different companies. The production of a beauty product by T is what percent of the production of beauty product by S? Okay, so he's not asking more or less, he's just asking what percent. T is what percent of S? T is what percent of S? If he's asked like that, put T value on the top. And on which parameter he is asking? Yes. So put it as the bottom into 100. That is the answer. Suppose X and Y is a X is what percent of Y? We ask put X by Y into 100. That is the answer. So now 5 ones are 5 20s are 140%. Second option. What is a single percentage discount equivalent to two successive discounts of 15% and 5%? So I told you, if successive increases are there, then x plus y plus x into y by 100 is the formula. So here successive discounts are there. So successive increments formula is this one. Successive discount, we put minus in front of them. So minus x minus y, minus into minus is plus, again plus xy by 100 it will be. So but here minus 15 minus 5 plus 15 into 5, 75 by 100. 75 by 100 is nothing but 0.75 till here minus 20. So just 20 minus 75 is nothing but 19 point. So in the election, 8% of the voters did not cast their votes. Two candidates contested the election in which, so 8% did not cast their votes. So 8% did not cast. How many percent cast? 92%. The two candidates contested the election in which the winning candidate got 48%. The winning candidate got 48%. Remove this 48 from this 50. 44 is remaining. Okay. So if so other candidate got 44 and winning candidate got 48%. Directly is given. Total votes. And one election by 1100 votes. One election by one means you should be getting 4% more, right? So one election by 1100 means, so number is given, indirectly we can find the percentage by subtracting 48 from 44, it is 4%. So 4% will become equal to 1100. So then find the total number of voters in the election, given that all the votes cast were invalid. So if all the votes cast were valid, so we don't have to subtract anything from them. So if 4% is 1100, he is asking total number. Total number is nothing but 100%. If 4% is 1100, what is 100%? 100 by 4 into 1100. Okay. 4 ones are 425. 25 into 11. Suppose 25 into 11 is nothing but 25, right? 25 like that. Again 25 like this. 5, 7, 2. Put two zeros here. Remember, if you are now multiplying any number with 11, suppose 92 into 11, just write 92 two times like this. Suppose if you are multiplying 76 with 11, just write 76 two times. Add. Like that, everywhere. If suppose if you are multiplying 35 with 11, 35, 35. Write two times side by side. Right? So it will be like that. So 27,500 is the answer.